Hey, today on Mama Nina Cooks, we're making creamy mashed potatoes. I have about 8 russet potatoes here, and I prefer to leave the skins on. I always have. I wash them really good, and that's how our family likes them. But please feel free to do whatever your family likes. I cut them into chunks and boil them for about 20 minutes until they're fork tender. Then I drain the water and I put them in a large bowl and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. I add some salt and pepper. And a little bit of milk. This recipe, I believe, ended up using about a half a cup of milk. I'm going to mix the potatoes on low speed with a hand mixer until all the chunks are out and the potatoes are creamy. Add a little more milk here. I check the potatoes at the end for salt and pepper. And add more if you like. I so appreciate you coming today. I hope to earn your subscription. I know you'll love these potatoes. Thanks, guys. See you next time.